I have one question of everything you just said.
What's up?
What the is Three Little Cats?
we're not
heard that song.
Listen, I remember when I had Windows 96. We're going way back.
Yeah.
That PC, you know, there's this game. We popped in a floppy disk. I'm going way back. A floppy disk. I don't know if people know what that is.
Oh yeah, I know what a floppy disk is.
Insert that there, and there's like a little song on this like video game, and I thought it was pretty cool back then. My mom loved it, and I would like sing along. So that's how Three Little Cats came to be.